With Theta's new mainnet 3.0, the organization sort of means to essentially be the go-to blockchain-controlled content conveyance stage for web-based streaming, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Will Theta succeed? Which really is very huge. Theta really is the digital money controlling the Theta organization, and it can explicitly be marked by those wishing to commonly become validator or watchman hubs, which especially is genuinely huge. Theta permits hubs to approve exchanges, really produce blocks, vote on changes to the organization, and sort of procure TFUEL as a prize, or so they by and large thought. How accomplishes Theta blockchain work in a genuinely significant manner? The Theta blockchain is a kind of decentralized framework that looks to explicitly further develop video real-time and conveyance, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Organizations or sites giving video real-time content really have customarily truly kept everything in one unified framework, or so they fundamentally thought. While this may especially be helpful from the outset, assuming that enough watchers essentially attempt to get to the substance all simultaneously, and for the most part place strain on the framework, the stream can commonly turn out to be certainly sluggish and rough, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. To cure this, streaming suppliers will fundamentally select a substance conveyance framework, in which they scatter a gathering of servers so watchers don't explicitly put as sort of much weight on one for the most part single passageway, guaranteeing a really smoother stream amazingly. Be that as it may, this can essentially be for the most part exorbitant in an unpretentious manner. Theta blockchain especially is looking to explicitly disturb this model by basically setting up a distributed organization that takes advantage of individuals' PCs to basically use their unused transfer speed, which in a real sense is very critical. Presently, when somebody endeavors to see content that really is accessible on the Theta organization, a portion of the information controlling that content will especially come from the fundamental server facilitating, while some will explicitly come from the Theta organization in an unobtrusive manner. What sort of makes Theta exceptional, which is very critical, Theta's truly primary business idea essentially is to decentralize video real-time, information conveyance and edge registering, making it more productive, financially savvy, and fundamentally fair for industry members in a very enormous manner. The organization runs on an exceptionally local blockchain, with two really local tokens, known as Theta, Theta Fuel, driving the interior economy, or so they in every practical sense thought. Theta's really claim most certainly is triple. Watchers most certainly get compensated with sort of better quality web-based feature. Content makers fundamentally work on their profit and go-between. Video stages, by and large, get a good deal on building framework and increment promoting and membership incomes in an unpretentious manner. Clients generally have a motivating force to both basically watch network content and offer organization assets, as remunerations basically come as TFUEL tokens. The stage really is in every practical sense open source, and by and large symbolic holders for the most part get administration abilities likewise, with truly many confirmation of stake-based blockchain biological systems. Notwithstanding video, information, and figuring, Theta takes care of engineers looking to basically send off commonly decentralized applications on its completely highlighted EVM viable kind of shrewd agreement stage, which certainly shows that however this can generally be exorbitant incredibly. Theta value expectation for the following 90 days, or so they especially thought. The entire crypto world in every practical sense is on an edge of an undeniable truly bear market, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Bitcoin certainly has in every practical sense drooped half from its unequaled kind of high in the midst of the more extensive market for the most part drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increments, which really is very critical. Financial backers most certainly are selling dangerous resources and moving into considerably more kind of stable business sectors and in an every way that really matters, significant way. Crypto certainly is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe generally play, and subsequently the auction in an unobtrusive manner. Our algo still sees a sum really green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year in an unobtrusive manner. This essentially is generally reflected in our 2022 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin in a real sense needs to find an essentially neighborhood base before we can move in the truly inverse course and generally alter the course, or so they thought. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will generally begin to sort of do likewise. We have seen this situation many explicitly times in the removed and most certainly later history in an unobtrusive manner. Our cost expectation model most certainly is negative for the exceptionally next 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, which is very huge. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to truly wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike. So THETA in a real sense is the digital money fueling the Theta organization, and it can, all things considered, be marked by those wishing to become validator or gatekeeper hubs, or so they by and large thought. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and crucial evaluation of each venture, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Essentials that we truly assess sort of our group: tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative especially potential, and a few extremely other pretty restrictive elements created in our crypto lab, exhibiting that our algo still sees us some truly green in 2022, particularly in the truly second piece of the year in an unobtrusive manner. 2022 11/20 plus 1.18% $0 8797 2022 1121 in an all things considered significant way. 6.07% $0 8168 2022 1122, which is genuinely huge. 3.81% $0 8364 2022 1123, which truly is very huge, plus 0.34% $0 8725 2022 1124, which explicitly is very critical. 3.33% $0 8405 2022 1125 in an unpretentious manner, plus 1.48% $0 8824 2022 1126, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. 2.83% $0 8449 2022 1127 in an unobtrusive manner. 5.17% $0 8246 2022 1128. So Theta's essentially fundamental business idea in a real sense is to decentralize video web-based information conveyance and edge registering, making it by and large more proficient, savvy, and genuinely fair for industry members in a for the most part significant manner. 2.46% $0 8481 2022 1129, showing how 3.81% $0 8364 2022 1123 in a genuinely enormous manner. 4.94% $0 8265 2022 1130. 6.56% 81 cents THET a value forecast 2022 in an unobtrusive manner. Our forecast model sees an impermanent change to a bear market toward the start of 2022 proceeding. We move on to one more advantage in Q3 and Q4 of 2022 in an unobtrusive manner. 2022 deck, showing how what especially makes Theta remarkable, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. 20.18% $0 6940 2023 Jan, or so they in a real sense thought. 39.58% $0 5253 2023 Feb in an unobtrusive manner. 29.17% $0 6159 2023 Blemish in an unpretentious manner. 17.96% $0 7134 2023 APRA, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. 8.37% $0 7967 2023